In today's video, I'll show you how to delete files and pictures imported into Canva. Keeping your Canva workspace clean helps you stay organized and makes designing much easier. Let's get started. Once you are logged in, look at the left-hand menu on the home page. Click on Projects. This is where Canva stores all your designs and uploaded files. Inside Projects, browse through your folders until you find the files or images you want to remove. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right ones. Click on the file or image to select it. You can select multiple items at once if you need to clean up several uploads in one go. Next, look for the trash icon. This is Canva's delete button, usually located below or near your selection. Click it to move the files into trash. Canva may ask you to confirm before deleting. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental loss. Double check, then confirm if you're sure. Deleted items usually move to Canva's trash folder. From here, you can restore them if you change your mind or permanently delete them to free up storage. Regularly clearing out old files keeps your workspace tidy, reduces clutter, and helps you focus on current projects without distractions. And that's it. You've learned how to delete files and pictures in Canva. Stay organized, keep your projects neat, and enjoy smoother workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.